everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. Guys, hasn't it been a minute? It feels like it's been an absolute age since I did a Cash Stuffing Sunday, and honestly I've missed the regularity of it. I really have, but you know what, when you have too much going on, it was my birthday at Christmas, and then it was Christmas, and then we had New Year's, and I had friends over, and you know what, I just spent money, and I did spend money I didn't have, I put it on credit, but I have tried to recoup a fair bit of that now last month in January, which is why I'm now doing February kind of as a reset for money for me. Now this might not work for everybody, but for me I feel February is a more easier target for me to kind of reach, if that makes sense. So yeah, here we are going forward. It's February, we're heading into spring, the weather's a little bit better, and let's do some cash stuffing. Now it's not a lot because I am not in a position anymore to be able to cash stuff 300, but I will. By the end of this year, I can guarantee you I will be back stuffing 300. That is my aim. Come hell or high water, I will be back stuffing £300 every week. That is my aim. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you everybody who has joined in the last couple of weeks. I have noticed you because I have been updating my shorts quite regularly, so maybe they're pulling in the viewers. Who knows? Here we go. So I'm doing the regular sinking fund pot. Now as always, I have a little notebook. I'm back with my little notebook. So today we are stuffing £115. So here we go. The first one is food. Now let's be real, 15 quid is not going to get me and a family of 4, 3 kids and myself, a lot of food, but it'll be definitely a good helping hand towards that. So council tax is getting 20. The council tax is the bane of my life, and before you know it, that bill will be around again. So I am trying to get on top of it as much as I can before, I think it's the end of March, that bill comes in. Childcare isn't too bad anymore. It used to be like 50 a week, but now it's 20. So that I find massive, just to get to catch up with that. Where are we going? Council tax is done. Water, another thing that we don't have to pay for in Ireland, but we have to do it over here. So I'm putting 20 into that. I think England just likes to give you bills, lots of bills. Very, I have spent on very this term, but sure, look at you do, and it's very good for Christmas when you can't afford it. So 20 quid is going into music because the boys play every week, so that is going there. And then the final £10 is going into the Argus, because again I spent a lot on Argus this season. Right, so let me just zip that up there now. Cubs is a monthly subscription, so we pay that every month, and I have already paid it, but I might start maybe putting a £5 or thereabouts into it just to keep her handy. So let's just leave this now to one side as we go into the penny saving challenge. I'm still continuing over from last year, my penny saving challenge, because I did not do too well in it. I didn't complete it, so I just really want to complete it. Maybe I should do another one and make it not so damn hard. Maybe. Let's see how we go. Rightio, so let's get into the penny saving challenge. I think I might actually redo this just because it's really tattered looking. Yeah, but it'll do for today's episode. We will have a new one ready next week. Now I am not doing anything into the sinking funds. I actually think the sinking funds are all empty, if I'm being honest. I think I pulled out of everything for Christmas this year. Yeah, everything is done, but I reckon by the end of Feb, start of March, we'll start putting a couple of pound in there just to keep her going. Right, that's done, so that's out of the way for now, and here we are into the penny saving challenge. Now I have been saving up in this for a bit, so let's see. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what, because this is like so many coins in it, music is 25 a week, so I'm going to put this £5 into that, because that will help me out massively next month, or next week rather, when I'm trying to get the money together. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, here we go now, hold on, we may as well use this money wisely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10. Right, that tenner is going into food, because that's going to help me out even more. Do you know what, every time I've got like some coins, I've just literally been throwing them into it, but that is amazing. Now that's great. I'll have a nice chunk going in there for food, and the music is paid, and then we just have little bits. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 10 is 55. Is that marked off here? There we go. So I can just do a new penny saving challenge sheet and mark in 55. And then that would be our new one for the new year. I think I might actually do that after this video for next week's cash stuffing, and it'll all be nice and fresh because this is just Tatty McTatterson and a little bit disgusting. So guys, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. This video has been a little bit longer than normal, hasn't it? I shall be back doing makeup Mondays as soon as I get a chance. I say that every single week in my head. I'm like, I'm going to get back doing makeup Mondays and my cash stuff on Sundays and my vlog on Fridays and all the rest of it. Just never get around to it. So I do promise to try and be consistent from February forwards. Mind you, I said that last year, I don't know how many times, and I didn't, because life just gets in the way. But I am really going to try because I really want to keep this up. I'm loving the momentum, and I miss doing YouTube videos when I'm not doing them. I don't know why I do, but I just do. It gets a bit addictive. Rightio, lads and lassies, I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I shall see yous next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things, and I will see you for another wee cash stuff on Sunday next week. Goodbye. Mwah. Oh, and Happy New Year! I forgot to say that to you all. Happy New Year! I hope it's a really great New Year and you get to save lots and lots of money. That's the goal. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Bye! Mwah.